Hey guys, me Ginger. I'm here for another unboxing. Today it's on the Razer deathadder. So we have a loader. So there's the mouse itself. Let's crack it open. Have here. That's open. Use mouse with salmonite. I bought from Austria. Here it comes. Nothing more in the box. Nothing more in the box. Wow. Very nice mouse. Let's remove the mouse first. So that's the mouse itself. We put it on the side here. And let's see what we have here. Some books. Razer certificate of efficacy, quick start guide, deathadder master guide, and some pictures of the mouse. No stickers here. So here's the mouse now. It's very heavy, huh? Plastic here. Nice mouse there. So here's my Razer deathadder. Here's my Logitech. It's very big, huh? Compared size. So thanks guys. It's me Ginger. Comment, rate, and subscribe. I see you in the next video. The next video is going to be a review of this mouse and the software that came with. Okay, so thank you guys. Peace.